Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into the world of parfait. It's so delicious and yummy. Let's go, guys. Before now, I used to think that this parfait is quite difficult to make, but no. After I've watched some videos on YouTube on how to make parfait at home, I decided to make mine, and then of course I want to show you my lovelies so you too can make your own parfait at home with ease. It's as simple as you can imagine. This is so yummy, and it can be eaten any time of the day and anyone can eat it, as long as you can eat any of these ingredients that is used in making this parfait, which are our regular food, our fruits and other nuts. Okay, so this is me chopping my apples because I added apple, cashew nuts, almond nuts. You can just top up with anything you want, anything of your choice. Just choose your favorites and your parfait is almost ready. This process, the only thing that took my time was just to chop my apples. That's the only thing that took my time. Aside that, every other thing is already made. Of course, the granola, the almond nuts, the cashew nuts, the granules, just anything of your choice. They are all ready. Mine are all ready, except the apple I chopped, as I told you earlier. So you can use red apple. You can also use the green type of apple, which I use. But the green one makes them very colorful, you know. This is the Greek yogurt I use. Use Greek yogurt. Is always better. So you can also make your own yogurt at home, but me, I bought Greek yogurt and it's sweetened. So I went ahead to lay this apple first. Some can lay their yogurt first, but I decided to lay the apple first because there are a large number of people that want to take this parfait. So I don't want to put too much of it for a particular person. And of course, the parfait, this is my first time of trying it, you know. So I decided to buy just a cup of it, of the Greek yogurt. So you can buy Greek yogurt. And along the line, you can also increase the quantity of this yogurt by mixing it with water. You know, you can add maybe chilled water and turn it until the consistency is a little bit thick. And then you serve it with your nuts and fruits. But I didn't add water in this video, so you go ahead and lay this according to the fruits you are using. I used my granola, I used apple, cashew nuts, almond nuts, and then coconut chips. Guys, my parfait came out very nice. If you try this method, I'm telling you, see my coconut chips, if you try this method, this parfait will be so yummy that everyone around you will always beg you for one, just like they do in my house right now. Kids will always say, "Mommy, I want parfait." Hula, this cup is ready, full of delicious nuts, fruits, and Greek yogurt. Tell me if you'll be practicing this. Will you try this at home, guys? Please comment in the comment section. Let's know how much you like this video. Please, and don't forget to subscribe. If you are watching this video to this moment, thank you very much. I really appreciate your view. Thank you, and don't forget to share. Okay, so I went ahead to make for others so they don't kill me in the house. So I went ahead to, this is me topping after I laid the apple like I did in the previous one. I added my nuts, added granola, added coconut chips, and then I layer again with the Greek yogurt. So enjoy it, guys, and don't forget to give me mine when you try this. Okay, so when you have a large family, don't waste your money buying a cup of parfait that is sold for 3,000 naira in Nigeria. Sometimes you can see the ones of 3,500 naira or less, anyway, according to the quality or quantity of the nuts and granola they used in a particular cup that triggers the amount. So don't waste your money anymore, guys. Just like I don't waste my money again. This is very cost effective, and you are sure you are eating fresh fruits and nuts with a yummy Greek yogurt. Okay, So don't forget to like. I love you. Bye.